rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Professor Muhammad Yunus, Chief Advisor, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, delegation, and friends. Of course, it's a rare pleasure to welcome a great friend of Malaysia, Professor Muhammad Yunus, who is now Chief Advisor. During the transition years, he made remarkable progress in ensuring there's peace and security in the country, and now continuing that collaboration to enhance relations, both investment, trade, culture and education with Malaysia. He is known to this country for his indefatigable work to secure position and place and for the underprivileged and the poor, including microcredit and also education in the Bukhara University in Kedah. So we have exchanges with the team, and I would like just to take note that the Foreign Minister and colleagues, we did probably one of the first official delegation to stop over in Dhaka to show our commitment to our friends to ensure that Bangladesh is a great country with enormous potential and a great friend of Malaysia, can secure peace and promote progress and development for the people. And so we have therefore placed Bangladesh as an important partner because your workers have been instrumental too in working together and contributing to our development. That is why I think the Foreign Minister, the Home Affairs Minister with the Human Resource Minister have agreed on this multiple entry visa facility, mainly to assist so that workers can go and meet their families and feel secure in their jobs. You have made some proposals and we have given priority, particularly to assist the stranded workers. We have continued to have energy cooperation and with Petronas and with Axiata in the energy sector and the telecommunication sector. And now we want to strengthen this into halal and STEM and research and semiconductor. And on the regional issues, of course, we are concerned with the burden placed on Bangladesh on having to cater for enormous numbers of Rohingya refugees. And therefore, to secure peace in Myanmar is, of course, a great priority, and immediate humanitarian assistance for the sufferings, first the refugees, then the victims of earthquakes, and I commend the Bangladeshi authorities for taking the initiative in multilateral forums in New York, in Qatar, and here in Malaysia. Foreign Minister will coordinate a team with Indonesia, Philippines, and Thailand to visit Myanmar in the next few weeks to ensure that peace is attained and the atrocities on some ethnic minorities and the people of Myanmar can be amicably resolved. So thank you again, my dear friend, on behalf of my family and the people of Malaysia, for your role, for your contribution, and we wish you well.
Thank you, Prime Minister. May I now invite the Honorable Chief Advisor to deliver his statement.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for having us here. It's like being at second home. It's our second home, and we feel so close in many, many ways. Personally, for me, I've been visiting and working in Malaysia for many years. So that makes me very close to people over the years. And then today, for many other reasons, we get closer and closer. Particularly, many Bangladeshi workers are working here. They send their income back to Bangladesh, and that gives them the sustainability for their lives in the family, sending their children to school and have good education. And they're being treated very well as a friend, as someone part of the family. It's not workers coming from outside, let them work. It's not like that. They're very, very happy to work here. So we wanted to thank Malaysia for hosting us so much of our people. And we hope this door will remain open and continue to become wider so that we can host many other young people to come and work in Malaysia. And they learn a lot. They take this learning back home and start their own businesses and set up their own economic activity. So we're very grateful to Malaysia for doing that. So one of the things that when we came to take the responsibility of the country as a government, just about a year back, in the circumstances which was uprising of the young people supported by general public, because of a regime which was killing people on the street for demonstrations and also having misrule and destroying the institutions of the country completely. So that uprising brought a new government, and I was invited to head that government. And I was very happy as I was trying to find my way. Guess who shows up? My friend Anwar Ibrahim. Shows up to get support to us. It's a wonderful feeling to find a friend to coming up at the hour of need when we're desperately looking for some support somewhere because we had no idea which way we were moving. We are very happy to have that, and we strengthen our resolve in making sure that Bangladesh goes in the right direction. We are very happy. We restored order in the country. We restored the economy. We restored the institutions to function within just about a year. So now we are ready for elections. So we'll be holding our election in coming February, middle of February, to elect a new government so that we can go to normal running of the country. So there we need lots of support, and we are looking forward to Malaysia's support. Always we bank to them. And you have just mentioned about the Rohingyas. This is a big problem for us. We are seeking help from Malaysia, particularly as a chair of the ASEAN group of countries. So we need all the help we can get. And Malaysia, as a good friend, we are looking for investment from Malaysia, and that's what we've been discussing. We are open for business. Bangladesh has a tremendous opportunity. It has its own human resources that we can offer, and also technology that we can offer in Bangladesh, so that you can invest in Bangladesh and sell your product to the rest of the world. So this is one we're hoping will get close relationship in the financial and investments issues in Bangladesh, widening up their opportunities so that we build an economy which will be sustainable, which will be a high growth economy. We are waiting for that. So today we are very happy. We have gone through a list of all the ideas and all the issues that we want to work together with Malaysia in both bilaterally and also multilaterally. So we're very happy. We want to thank the people of Malaysia for the support they have provided to us in Bangladesh. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Chief.